Start with Angel.
Roll the mic. Opo.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for coming here, and of course I'd also like to thank Direct Brillante for giving me this opportunity to work with such an amazing cast. I hope everyone watches this. Grabe, nakakaiyak.
Direct Brillante.
Thank you. Salamat sa lahat sa pagpunta nyo ngayong gabi. Thank you so much.
Barbie.
Ready?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta at pagpanood ng aming pelikula. Sana po tulungan niyo po kaming i-promote ang aming pelikula. Kung ano man po ang inyong comment or reaction sa aming pelikula, please post about it. You know, let's paingayin natin ang Until She Remembers. February 25 na po. Thank you!
Ms. Charo Santos Corso, ladies and gentlemen.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. This is a wonderful experience for all of us. One film that will stay in my heart forever. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Boots Anson Roa Rodrigo.
Magandang gabi po. Marami po salamat sa inyong suporta. At gaya nga ng sabi ni Barbie, sana po ay ibahagi ninyo ang inyong naging karanasan dito sa ibang tao pang makikita ninyo itong mga nakarating na araw. At may age 81, akala ko po been there, done that, akala ko hindi na ako mapapayak ng pelikula. Pero palpak ako, umiyak po ako dito. Naghanap ng panyo. It's a beautiful movie. And it talks about love in its purest sense. Sana po ganyan tayo magmahal. Thank you.
Sir Albert Martinez.
Isa butong napakagandang journey of love, friendship, and there is forever.
Ms. Angel Aquino.
Thank you for all of those who came out today to be with us to watch the movie. It was my first time to see it, and I was so pleasantly surprised. Honestly, we were talking about it, sabi namin, ganun pala lalabas yung movie. You know, in the process, hindi namin alam namin what we were there for, but hindi namin naiintindihan where it was going and ganyan. But seeing it for the first time, it was so beautiful. Thank you for sharing the experience with us, and I hope if you liked it, please tell others about it also. Salamat.
And once again, Bianca.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to thank Direct Brillante Mendoza for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to work with such a power cast. And this story truly talks about how love transcends through age, time, gender, and illness. And yes, Catherine may have Alzheimer's, but her heart remembered what her mind couldn't.
Alright, thank you so much. I think we're ready for our first question, Tito Mel.
Yes, Miss Colleen. Thank you so much po mga kaibigan. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan, February 25, ang Until She Remembers. You may post and please iwasan po lang natin yung mga spoilers. Ayan. So nandito po ako to facilitate the Q&A with our media friends. Our first question will come from Mr. Nestor Cuartero of Manila Bulletin.
Hi, Charo. Hi, Boots. Well, I actually clapped my hands after finishing the film. Ang ganda-ganda, very lovely film. I was wondering how Charo and Boots were emboldened or empowered to do this film. How?
Thank you, Nestor. Coming from you, that's a very notable question. Sabi ko nga kanina, Nestor, at age 81, hindi ko dapat pakawalan ng ganitong oportunidad na una-una mag-portray ng ganitong role, makasama si Direk Brillante Mendoza sa kanyang tutelage. At of course, makasama si Charo, my dear friend Charo, na mahigit 50 years na po kami magkakilala, pero ngayon lang po kami nagkasama sa isang pelikula. But all these years, we've had a meeting of the heart and the mind. Kaya sa pag-shooting po nito, pag nabigyan na kami ng direksyon ni Direk Brillante, hindi namin pinag-uusapan kung paano namin aatakihin yung eksena. Hindi namin pinag-uusapan kung paano ba yung approach. We just felt it in our hearts, and there we were with the execution. I think, yun, siguro sapat na yun na pagkakataon. Bless.
Yes, si Charo.
And just to add to that, hindi rin namin pinag-usapan. Diba?
Raji
So
out.
ito yung experience namin dito sa pelikulang ito. Wish fulfillment ito para sa akin na makasama si Tita Boots sa pelikula. Of course, to be directed also by Direk Brillante. Matagal na kaming nag-uusap. Ngayon lang natuloy. At napakaganda ng experience working with Direk na merong kwento pero gusto niya very raw yung emotions sa set. Ayaw niyang dadating ka na may makeup. Kailangan talagang kung ano, dalhin mo lang yung sarili mo. And don't even think about my camera. Don't even think about the blocking. Go where your heart brings you. Yan ang laging sinasabi ni Direk Brillante. Of course, hindi ko pakakawalan yung challenge, no, na makagawa ng ganitong klaseng karakter sa filmography ko.
Yeah, I think it's a landmark film. No? May I ask Director Brillante, why do you think that Charo and Boots are the perfect couple for a film like this?
Para kasing sila yung talagang parang tailor-made talaga sa kanila, no? And may mga discussion kami before about other projects, no? Pero parang hindi nga mag-swak di ba? Meron tayong mga pinag-uusapan, and then I also produced the film before na nandoon si Ma'am Boots. Pero hindi talaga nag-swak. Siguro it's timing lang talaga. Timing, and I think it's the perfect project for both of them.
May I ask one more question to Barbie naman? Last question. I'm sure, having worked with Tita Boots and Tita Charo mo, you're kind of influenced by them, or you were touched by how you found them. Is there ever a time when you would say you want to grow, when you grow up, you want to be like Charo or Boots?
Parang I say that every day when I go to the set. Parang when I witness their grace and how respectable they both are in the industry, parang sabi ko, parang ito yung gusto kong marating. Diba? Yung longevity din talaga and respect sa industry. So, idol.
Do you think women like them are do you think we still see a number of women like them in our society or our entertainment industry? Do you see that kind of model?
In our industry today, yes, of
Or
course.
is it a vanishing tribe?
I wouldn't call it that po, pero siguro ngayon mas matatapang po kaming mga younger actors and actresses. Maybe even the contents that are put out today, sabi nga po ni Miss Charo and Miss Boots, ngayon tumanggap po sila ng ganitong klaseng character, hindi po ba? Pero given the chance, maybe they would have hesitated if they were given the same characters before. Pero ngayon kasi, times are changing, diba? And our society is more, parang mas bukas na, yes, ang ating mga mata, ang ating isip sa lahat. And so, mas brave tayo, mas matapang tayo sa paggawa ng ganitong klaseng pelikula.
Ganda.
Thank you.
At saka ang ganda ng acting, lahat ang galing. Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Nestor.
Thank you, Nestor. Our second question.